Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done an investing app review, so I'm super excited to give you a closer look at one of the newest apps to hit the market in the UK, CMC Invest. In the next few minutes, I'll take you through all of these things here, showing you the app along the way. And I'll round out the video with some very clear pros and cons, as well as our overall verdict on the app. I always think it's important to do a quick review on the sign-up process, so you know whether or not you need to hire a personal assistant just to make sure you have the right documents to get over the first hurdle. I signed up to CMC Invest in less than the 5 minutes it says it'll take. The app is really upfront about what you need, as you can see here, so you can quickly make sure you have everything to hand before going down the rabbit hole. The only slightly annoying bit was when I verified my email on my desktop rather than on my phone, which meant I then had to scan a QR code to get the email verification and the app to sync up. But some would argue that's on me for using a different device when it could all have been done on my phone. The sign-up process might get a little more complicated if you are a non-UK citizen and/or pay tax outside the UK. But if my experience was anything to go by, CMC Invest will be as helpful as possible to make sure you have what you need to get going. As of publishing this video, when you sign up, you'll also get a 50 quid welcome bonus when you meet the T's and C's and deposit at least 50 quid into your account. CMC Invest's key features can be summarised in the following 3 points. The app gives you access to 1,600 plus shares, exchange-traded funds and investment funds across the London Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ with no commission fees. At the moment, the app is just a basic general investment account, but you can upgrade to Plus to get a stocks and shares ISA, as well as the ability to buy and sell shares in their quoted currency. For example, buying US shares in US dollars to save on foreign exchange fees. For beginners or those newish to investing, you'll find a bunch of step-by-step guides and info when you click the Get Started and Learn About Investing boxes on the homepage. On its website, CMC Invest say there are lots of additional features coming soon, including an additional tiered premium account. We'll be covering all of those launches as they happen in our monthly investing app updates, so like, subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first to know when those videos drop. A lot of these extra features and upgraded accounts will also cost you extra, so let's take a look at the app's fees and charges. The standard general investment account, which CMC Invest refers to as its core account, is free to use. Plus will set you back 10 quid a month, but you get the first 3 months free as a little sweetener. Premium, which is yet to launch, hasn't been given a pricing structure yet, so we'll have to wait and see what that ends up looking like. All accounts offer commission-free trades with a 0.5% foreign exchange fee where it applies. For example, as I mentioned, with the Plus account, you can hold money in a separate US dollar wallet to pay for trades in US dollars to cut down on FX fees. CMC Invest promises no hidden fees, and they have quite a helpful costs and fees section on their website if you really want to get into the nitty-gritty before opening an account. It all looks pretty standard. The only one that really caught my eye was the £15 fee for urgent withdrawals in pound sterling, so that's anything you need quicker than 3 to 5 business days. Something to bear in mind if you're thinking about withdrawing any funds from your account in the near future. At a glance, the app design is clean and intuitively laid out. I will say though, I am not particularly inspired by the colour scheme, which is a weird mashup of bottle green and pastel purples and blues. I quite like the Discover section and how you can easily search for investments by product type, sector or region, as well as a company's ESG or Environmental, Social and Governance score, which is like a rating of how ethically a company operates. Unlike other investing apps I've used, I'm happily not overwhelmed by the detail of the Discover section. I think it has a nice flow to it and the graphs and charts don't make me dizzy. If you're a beginner or intermediate level investor, the simplicity of this app could make it a good option for you. In terms of pros, the basic core account is free to use and offers commission-free trades. It gives investors access to a large number of US stocks. The app is easy to use and navigate, and you won't be charged for any non-urgent withdrawals. In terms of cons, at the moment the app only offers a limited range of UK stocks and nothing at all outside of the London Stock Exchange, the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ. Compared to other apps, CMC Invest offers limited tools and advice to support investors, as well as limited additional products at this stage. And if you do want to upgrade to get a stocks and shares ISA, for example, you will have to fork over 10 quid a month. It's still early days for CMC Invest in the UK, but as it stands, this app is one of the more basic share trading apps available at the moment. While experienced investors might get impatient for some of those more advanced features to launch, total beginners might find the limited support daunting. So I think this app will be best suited to intermediate level investors or confident beginners who are ready to get started on their investment journey. To read our full CMC Invest review on finder.com, click this link here. Or like, subscribe and hit that bell button to get the latest updates on all of your favourite trading apps in the UK. Thanks for watching.